Hey y'all, it's Earl. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang, because why not? Um, so I have some, like, spicy noodles. Yeah, got it from the dollar store, nothing fancy. Then I got these, yan. Those are good. Then I have some Dr. Pepper, because Dr. Pepper is the best drink ever. So, let's get started. And if you hear music, it's just my record player. So, if you were wondering, I'm doing okay. I don't really know. I collect records and CDs. I might post a video today of my records and CD collection, because I have some pretty cool ones, I guess. Yeah, that's basically it. Don't ask why my headphones look like shoelaces. They just do, because they're the only ones that I have right now. But yeah, I don't know, this is gonna be like a mukbang and like an update, I guess, I don't know. My favorite singers, I guess, I don't know what to say, are Taylor Swift, Lana Del Rey, Tyler the Creator. I kind of like Harry Styles. He's a good singer. I like Fleetwood Mac. I kind of listen to Nirvana. They're pretty good, I guess. I don't know. Oh my gosh. My stomach just like exploded. But, yeah, I collect CDs and records. I think I already said that, but I'm reading Twilight. That's something new. If you know me in real life, you know I'm over my Harry Potter phase. I don't think if you guys knew if I had a Harry Potter phase. I don't know really anything else to say. It was recently just my birthday. So I got a record player at my mom and dad's house. I got a mini fridge at my mom's house. I have a new dog. Sorry, I had to stop real quick. But yeah. I might toast. I might post 2 videos today. Sorry, I had to stop again. But yeah, I actually went to Barnes and Noble yesterday, and I got a Funko Pop, from a show, and then I got. Sorry, I had to stop again. But yeah, what was I saying before this video? Oh yeah, my Barnes and Noble thing. And then I got a Taylor Swift fan book from Barnes and Noble. And then I got a book there, obviously. And then I got Igor by Tyler, the Creator. But they had so many good records there. Like, they had Florence and the Machines there. They had Lemonade by Beyonce there. And, like, Beyonce, why is she here? Lana was there, Chemtrails. I already have her on CD and record. So, who else? Lizzo was there for like $21, and I was debating on getting it or not. But I already spent $70 on everything on a $50 gift card. So my mom helped me pay for it. And then, what else? I think I said Shawn Mendes. Hold on. Sorry about that. It's gonna be very choppy. What else? They had John Mayer there. I find him annoying. I find his song, Why No Loving You, however it goes, that's annoying. I find it annoying. They had Harry Styles too there. They also had it there. And I saw this one video, and it was like, sorry about that. Anyways, what was I saying? They had Panic at the Disco there. Yeah, it was a pretty cool place. Expensive though. Oh well, it's Barnes and Noble. It's like $20 for a book. Oh yeah, I saw this video and it was like, run to your nearest Barnes and Noble and look at their CDs. And they had Melodrama and Lust for Life. I didn't see it until after I got back from Barnes and Noble. So mad. Oh well. I don't really care though. I'm grateful on what I got. But yeah. I think I'm done. Because I am. But yeah, nothing really much has happened. I might post a video later today on my CD and record collection. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to. Bye.